Today we're going to replace the oil pressure switch on a 2005 Cadillac CTS. Show you how to get that done. That's going to be located right down underneath the filter there, so you got to get rid of all this stuff in the way. Once you get the plastic cover, the air box, and all the intake stuff, you're going to want the power steering pump line is right in the way of the electrical connection, so I'm just taking a pry bar. Bend that out of the way so you can get at it a little easier. Here's what I'm using to get the oil pressure socket out. It's a deep 1 1/16" socket on a swivel. So we can get right down in there. There we go, nothing to it.